So, Namaskar, Namaste. Yes, again, as it's always, I am telling after the previous video, again, lot of questions and this thing is going on in social media, in all those things which I mentioned earlier. Oh, yeah, I am Papan by CMA H. Padmanabhan, right? We can understand the anxiety, we can understand the worries because of so many things which are being shared in YouTube and other things, this portion or that portion of somebody's speech or this or that. My dearest CMA student friends, including CA student friends or CS student friends, first of all, remove your anxiety. By any chance you get some news, this or that, immediately either switch off or go for some good music or a good movie which you like or so many other things. Don't get yourself into unnecessary trouble by getting yourself depressed or yourself with worries, yourself with tension. That is not required. Now coming to the same 2-3 points. Yes, even today some of these friends have asked about verification result. Verification result will be announced only when all the officials join the institute back, get all the paper back from the paper valuers. Then after that they have to sort it out, the officials. Then only it can be declared. It will be definitely declared before the examination. So please don't worry. By any chance or by God's grace or because of you deserving, if you pass the examination by verification result, do not worry, that money which you have paid for the examination will be reimbursed, will be returned back and it will be credited to your bank account, right? So don't worry about that. Now coming to the forthcoming examination. Yes, we are very clear. And Balwinder Singh sir, Honorable President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, Bisru Basudada, Honorable Vice President of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, who is also Chairman of a T&EF. Most importantly, President is the Chairman of the Examination Committee. As he has already mentioned, he is in touch with the Ministry for whatever may be the reason. That you need not worry. Many are asking us, sir, is it necessary? It is necessary or not, we know, right? So that part you leave it. That is our duty. Na? President has to take care of everything. Now coming to the postponement or cancellation or opting out or this, that, so many questions are coming. We can understand. But each institute will take a suitable decision as per their wisdom. So let us not compare this institute or that institute and tell good or bad about X or Y. Let us learn to be very good. That is more important, right? So regarding the official notification announcement, it will definitely come. President is trying his best to see the procedure as early as possible convene a meeting and it will be done. That is the procedure. So kindly wait. Decision will come for your good only. Then some students were asking, sir, then please tell the answer straight away. Straight away, if I tell, it will be only Papan Bhai's answer. But you want official notification. At least this particular pandemic situation has given us a wonderful lesson to be patient. So let us be patient. Some of our friends in Twitter have made funny of the word patience also. But still, it is a fact. So rest assured, good decision will be taken by our CMA Institute also. I can tell one thing. Now, don't study. With all this tension, how you are going to study and how it is going to be in your memory? I doubt. Whenever time permits, if you feel so, you study. When I was a final student of CMA, one particular subject, I can tell it openly, income tax. Whenever I take that big book, immediately I will feel sleepy. So there may be some subject where you will also have like that. No? So please, when you are worried, take that book, that subject. So definitely you will fall asleep and That gave me more energy and gave me more this thing that I am not studying that paper. So later on I concentrated on that paper, and if you can verify my marks if you want. I got the maximum and I was congratulated by everybody. Rather, whenever I took that book, I was feeling sleepy. So I thanked that particular subject at that time, in those days. Not that all subjects, all the students will have some love, affection and attraction. Some subjects definitely, it will be little bit hard to digest also. Na? So I thank those council members who decided to have that particular subject, because that gave me more energy. By sleeping well, what happened? I became more fresh. Like that you can also choose, right? So the point is worrying, and don't read unnecessary things. See, this WhatsApp university or this Telegram university and all, it is for fun, not for serious things and writing. Somebody will write. Out of their tension, they are writing. Now what will happen? That fellow has written and gone. Others will start pondering on it and ask questions, this, that and all. Why to waste time on that? Leave it. It will come. It is coming. That is why I told, for the time being, please don't study. Because I want you people to be safe mentally and physically. Too much worrying on this, it cannot. Then why, sir? Why are you delaying? I told you already, there is a procedure and it will be done. We may take little more time. No issue. Ultimately, you want a decision. Na? I am telling you, na? It will come. President CMA Balwinder Singh sir is working on it. Why I am repeating his name again and again is with some portion on some other matter which he transparently told. Suddenly that portion is shown as a huge this thing and more this thing. Okay, that video is deleted now, so hence no issue. Now one more request to you. There are some videos, especially, don't think I am marketing for X or Y. Nikhil Gupta, I saw his video. He has chosen one particular paper of a particular student wherein that student has scored 91 marks. He has very nicely explained as to how we should write the examination. By any chance, if you have not watched that video, you can watch that. I congratulated him personally. The way he has explained with a calm, this thing, very nicely, without any this thing. Also suggesting how a paper can be presented in the examination. This also I am telling, not necessarily immediately after my video you search that and watch. I am not telling. When you get time, watch such videos. It will be interesting and useful, and it will be very helpful for you also. Or watch your favorite movies or listen to some music. Some time you spend for studying in the name of enjoying. So now, no tension, no depression. Rather, I will recommend to those people who are printing the dictionary to remove this tension word and depression word from their dictionary. Unnecessarily, some words somebody created and we are now becoming more this. What for? If you are tensed or you are depressed, again I will also get tensed and I will get depressed. Then what will happen to our parents or guardians in the house, elders in the house? They want us to, not that they want us to see always laughing, ha ha ha, like that and all, but they cannot digest if their children are upset. And shall I tell you one more thing? There are some students who are married and some girls are pregnant. I am telling you, my dearest ones, please don't have unnecessary tension for the examination and don't think about COVID or Corona, this thing, because the child inside you will also get a more this thing. Don't do that. In fact, some WhatsApp university I came to know, somebody got delivered twins, not our CMA, somebody. Whether it is true or not, I don't know. And they have kept one child name as COVID and another child name as Corona. Here people want to forget COVID and Corona. I appreciate the parents, they have every right to put names for their children. But if it is true, Arey, this tension and all these things will continue till a medicine is being invented or discovered by the doctors. It will be done. No disease is permanent, no problem is permanent, no issues are permanent, no tension is permanent, no depression is permanent. Let us not go for certain news and somebody uploading in the YouTube about somebody died, suicide, this thing, that thing. Please, it is my humble request. And if at all you are having any issue, you don't like Shah Rukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan or Rajinikanth or Kamala Hassan or whatever it is, then at least watch my video and have some fun. Make fun of me. Find some points where you can make a joke out of me. Do it. There are various stalwarts who have given best movies, best music, lot of entertainment. And there are many people coming in the video, which is actually today also in one group Telegram, I was enjoying the way my dearest friends were sharing some jokes. Not today, sometimes I used to record them, please post more such thing, because it is giving some comfort for me also, because every time reading everybody's message on this or that, think about your Papan Bhai. Now, by reading and doing all these things, sitting in your shoes, I myself, I will not get depressed or get tension, but I am affected. Na? Because when you are affected, I am affected. If you are happy, I am more happy. I am telling you. So don't worry. Good decision will come from our institute also. Let us thank Company Secretaries of India. Let us thank Chartered Accountants Institute. Let us have a chance to thank Institute of Cost Accountants of India also. Because everybody at that moment, out of some particular wisdom only, are taking decision. Never try to blame others, because everybody have certain things in their mind and how to help you only. Please understand that. Okay. So for the time being, I am taking break the chain, but not the relationship. Now more and more relationships are coming, more and more friends are coming. So we will all enjoy, right? If we are hale and healthy, I am telling you, we will have more number of years to exchange good morning, good evening, and so many pleasant things. And this examination is not this thing. There are other examinations which we have to overcome. That is more important. So stay safe. First, that is important. And please don't give unnecessary worries or tension to your parents or guardians also. Because when they see your face, mother especially, if they can easily understand something, Papan Bhai is upset, something like that. Like that, each mother, I am telling you. Our one movement, they know what it is. So it is my humble request, right? So we will catch soon. Yes, YouTube live, I am ready to come. If you are also ready, and when you want mutually convenient date, I am ready, as I told you earlier, right? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.